1444, the Spanish ship.
Just wary.
Where's that?
All good. We're filming now.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. Do it.
Pretty high. It's like up here. It's like my head size when I go down.
Bolts right. I can't point out. She got the bolts.
That's pretty high too, man.
Yeah, dude.
I got all the into it like first try. We'll do it when we leave.